Hi, this Echinobase tutorial will discuss genome and gene model reports and data. First of all, I want you to realize that Echinobase offers many different levels of support. Fully supported genomes include gene pages and gene orthology. Partially supported genomes only have JBrowse and BLAST capabilities. There's data sets on the JBrowse tracks. There's data sets for plotting, download, and then links to other NCBI data sets that are collected on the site with links out. Let's start at the Downloads tab and the FTP site. Here you can see a list of the folders. Let's go to the gene page reports. Here you have a README file which will describe each of the files and the order of the columns. There's a lot of ID information here. Here we are back at the directory. Let's take a look at the gene page's general info. This is where you can find a lot of the ID information. The gene page, the unique identifier, descriptive name, curation status. Here's an example, OTX. This is a curated gene name with a description, longer descriptive name, some biological information about the gene product. If you are familiar with SPU IDs, you can see it in the synonyms and then the unique lock ID as a synonym. And then the curation status, in this instance, manually curated. Another file that users have requested are the GFF files, and those can be found underneath the Genomics tab. Pick your species, and here you can see the GFF files. Another user request is for the RNA-seq gene expression data, and here the Tu et al. 2014 has been remapped against the 5.0 genome. You can find that data graphed on the gene pages, and if you click on that, you can see it in more detail and the actual numerical data. You can also, to this, add another gene and plot it in the same graph. Here under Documents is the Echinobase white paper describing the community efforts for this site. Then another useful place is the EchinoWiki, and here we have links to additional echinoderm data sets, and these are listed by phylum and then species in alphabetical order and have links out to the data. For partially supported series like Japonica, you can load the genome into the browser, and then there's also BLAST capability. As you can see, there's a lot of data available on Echinobase. Feel free to explore, and then if you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. We're available to answer your questions and would love to hear from you.